Hey guys, so I'm gonna show you guys my new soap, wash and wax, but I had the client right here, so I'm talking to him. But we'll get to it right now. Now here's us putting the soap. As you can see, we'll put about 2 to 3 ounces. We'll measure it out. We kind of already know, and we had a little spill. Mind that, but we'll get back to that. And you can see the rest too. So we get a lot. Now, if you pick up a gallon, it should be about 30 cents an ounce. So, I mean, you can wash a whole car with under $1 and get these premium results. So, we'll fill it up, get to the top, and we'll get ready to foam. Alright, guys, so here's this product. Now, we're going to go ahead and test it out, give it a quick shake, and away we go. Now, mind you, I'm using an electric pressure washer, so we're using a Ryobi 1600. So you can see the thick foam that we get on an electric pressure washer. On a gas, well, you already know. So here are the results, you guys. So if you guys are interested, let us know and we can ship domestically.